Imagine standing on a beach, and as you look out at the ocean, you see waves rolling in, some gentle, some fierce. Each wave is unique, just like every opportunity in the world of trading. Trading is like learning to surf on this financial ocean, exciting but demanding respect for its power. Let's start this exploration by talking about a simple yet profound truth. Trading is all about buying and selling in financial markets. But it's more than that. It's a dance between fear and greed, and understanding this dance is essential before you venture onto the trading floor. Fear and greed are often portrayed as the villains in the world of money, but think of them more as the wind and the waves. They're natural, and they're always there, pushing you, challenging you. Trading might seem like a mysterious art, reserved for the seasoned folks in sharp suits hustling at Wall Street. But in truth, anyone can learn to trade. It's like learning any other skill, a new language or a musical instrument. It requires time, patience, and practice. Think of trading as your financial education laboratory where you experiment, learn, and grow. The absolute first step in trading is understanding the vehicles you could be riding in: stocks, bonds, currencies, commodities. Each has its own characteristics, much like different surfboards one might choose based on the type of waves. Stocks are like the shortboard, agile and fast for those who thrive on quick maneuvers. Bonds, meanwhile, are like the longboard, steady and stable, built for those who prefer a smoother ride. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a piece of a company, a slice of its journey, its successes, and its challenges. It's like buying a ticket to watch the company's story unfold. Bonds are a bit like lending money to someone, with the promise they'll pay you back with a little extra interest for the trouble. These basic ideas set the stage for more complex strategies as you dive deeper. Now let's talk about mindset. Emotional discipline is your best friend when trading. Imagine your mind as a calm lake. Each decision you make causes ripples, and allowing emotions like fear or greed to take over is like throwing a big rock into that lake. It disrupts everything. Trading requires setting clear rules for yourself, like always checking the weather before you surf. Have a plan? Stick to it, and don't let the waves of emotion knock you off your board. One personal insight I've gained over the years is the power of understanding your risk tolerance. It's crucial to know how much you can afford to lose, because, trust me, losses are just as much a part of trading as gains. It's like wearing a life vest when kayaking. It's not about expecting to fall into the water, but about being prepared if you do. The markets are a reflection of human behavior, and if there's anything predictable about people, it's that they can be unpredictable. This unpredictability brings us to a mental model I like to think about: the concept of margin of safety. In engineering, this means building a bridge that can hold more weight than expected. In trading, it means making decisions that protect you when things go wrong, as they sometimes will. Remember, trading isn't about winning every time. It's about making more right than wrong decisions over the long haul. It's like planting seeds. Not everyone will sprout, but with patience and attention, many will grow. And finally, the most meaningful idea I'd like to leave you with is this: trading can teach us about ourselves. It's not just about money, it's about how we think, how we react, and what we value. It forces us to confront our deepest fears and desires, much like standing on that surfboard with the ocean beneath you. Every trade is a chance to learn, not just about the markets, but about your own strengths and weaknesses. Trading might start with money, but it ends with a deeper understanding of who you are. So, as you embark on your trading journey, remember to respect the ocean you're exploring. Ride the waves not just for the thrill of it, but for the lessons they bring. And like any good surfer, know when to paddle hard and when to simply enjoy the ride.